We got you.
This is facts.
Facts. 100.
I hit Atlanta. The USP.
100. 100.
Alright, no.
Nigga, Mild Dog.
That's,
you hear me? Mild Dog Entertainment. Stop playing with him. He ain't serious.
The Transit.
100.
I hit Atlanta.
100.
In the hole. I'm coming from
USP McQuarrie.
I'm coming from I gotta get it right.
Get it right. Get it right.
I'm coming from Manchester. You know, we handled our business, done with the dude, made it shake, boom, boom.
Manchester, Kentucky, USP.
My dough. Boom, I had to handle my wax. So now I'm transiting. I'm going to a
100. Facts.
I'm going to a smooth program.
Man, we telling you facts, big dog.
You know what I'm saying? So with me going to the smooth program,
100.
I go to Atlanta. I'm in the hole.
And it's the big dog right here. 100.
The Atlanta CEO.
Who tell me to fucking stand down? Who tell me to stand down?
I'm there at the time with T.I. is in there.
Check his motherfucking paperwork, motherfucker. Molly Burford, nigga. 6th district, nigga.
Big Meech.
Right way, not the highway, nigga.
BMF.
Salute come from Jessup, Georgia. Where I was in Jessup, Georgia. Check the paperwork.
Salute.
Right.
BMF.
Salute.
But I was there with them my first night there.
First night there, check the paperwork.
Big B slide me a book up under my door. This is facts.
Facts. No, this facts. Check the paperwork. All they gotta do, cause they log in everything.
He slid me a book up under the door. I'm like, man, who sliding books up under my door? He said, man, they was like, man, this Big Meech, he didn't say nothing.
Right.
He didn't say nothing. He ain't gotta say nothing. He a boss. He ain't gotta say nothing.
Right.
But they say, man, Big Meech slid.
And humble.
I ain't say nothing to them. After they said his name, I ain't say nothing but pick up the book.
Right.
And went to my bed and started reading because I ain't had shit and they ain't gonna give you shit. We on the rock.
Man, nigga, you in transit.
You know about the rock.
Nigga, you know I know it. 13 and a half years, then it went back 13 to kill 5.5 years.
Okay,
Nigga, check the paperwork. Niggas, tell them stop playing, nigga. MBT, aka TBG, Thoroughborough, Tennessee. Stop playing, motherfuckers.
The next morning, we go to rep. We in the cold, so it's caged off. We in dog kennels. Caged off. Big Meech and Big Fry, they in the cage together, but they going through the process. They just coming from where you was at. Where was it? Was at?
Jessup, Georgia.
Okay, explain that to me.
Did 8 years,
So
Jessup, Georgia, coming from USP McQuarrie 100. You hear me? Went to Mississippi, Yazoo before then. You hear me? 100. Check the paperwork out. And I was out there with convertible Burt and all that. You hear me? Just motherfucking do it because they log in everything. Let's get back to the story though.
Okay, so here we go. I'm in the hole. The next morning we go to the rec.
Right.
It's a lot of everybody out there.
Right.
Yes. Black hand. Salute to the black hand.
Salute.
You know what I'm
Salute
saying?
to the on the chest.
There's a lot of
when you see that black hair on that chest, then you know it's official.
Yeah, and yeah, for real.
Salute.
You know what I'm saying? We was all out there, you know, we going out the wreck.
Salute.
Yeah, they got me like this still.
And don't tell them about the smooth, how you get to the smooth program and
I don't
federal.
get into that though.
Just tell them. Just tell them a quick. How you get the smooth program? You tell them how you get smooth, cause you older than me. You the triple OG, and I don't even gang bang, but I fuck with them 100.
They had a watchdog came in, got me in my dough. That's
true.
That's another story for
That's another, but just give for this. Just quickie quickie.
They sent the watchdog. I'm up here playing 35 and over basketball. Me and my man, they watching, laughing.
True.
Right. I'm not finna get into that right now.
Right. Okay, that's another skilo.
That's a whole nother gig.
That's another gig, 100.
But
Salute.
Let's get back to the facts.
Salute. Without the T.
I get in the hole.
Right.
And they finally uncuffed me and let me chill and shit.
Right.
And I noticed Big Meech and Big Fry. I'm like, man, how y'all doing? I think I might have already got a letter from you letting me know what you were doing down there.
Yeah, they love me down there. They love Big 10. I come from Tennessee. I ain't no game bag. I rock with the 10. 100.
It came up.
Said the Tennessee table everything. Yeah, me. Born and raised in Ohio, but the bloodline is from Tennessee.
I said, I'm from Murfreesboro, Tennessee.
Mm-hmm.
And they were like, oh man, you know a young nigga named Boom Boom Boom. I said, yeah, that's my chopper.
Right.
Little brother. Yeah. They're like, man, we love this nigga.
Yeah, nigga, that's what they told him. Like, nigga, you come in here bro. And nigga, hey, them niggas like, I love you because for one, you got 35 years. For two, motherfucker, you ain't say you from Nashville, Memphis. Now, nigga, you say you right. I'm like, nigga, man, listen, it's all love.
I am who I am.
Nigga, hey, but what they say, but what they say, if I would have been sent out from somewhere else, and you said, but soon you say you from Murfreesboro, little small old Murfreesboro, which was the capital. But when they said, did you know this cat? Huh? Now how the fuck I'm in their memory? Now what about?
That's what he was. That's what you're saying.
Now what about? Yeah, get it.
I'm saying was.
Yeah, get it right, get it tight, all day, all night.
This what they told me. Ain't no question.
Ain't no question.
They can't.
Ain't no question, nigga.
Oh yeah, that's my little.
Ain't no question. Get it right, get it tight, all day, all night. Ain't no question.
There you go.
Nigga, and my voice loud, for real, big dog. 100, man, cause everybody got 360s on their book.
I was on my way
but
to
it's
smooth. You know, I was
smooth. I heard. I got the kite. Big Hurt said, you know, they about saying mild or smooth. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
He said, yeah, that nigga there XYZ down now.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn, big dog, but you know, that's big dog.
Chevyville.
Yeah.
Fayetteville. Nashville, Memphis.
Don't forget Lewisburg. We fuck with Lewisburg.
I gotta salute these areas because these is the areas
that we fuck. Yeah, that we fuck with. That we fuck with for real. Columbia, Mule Day.
I gotta salute these areas because
we fuck with when we were young.
When we was inside,
cause we did. Tell them how many years you do in USP.
Shit, I did 15 years.
And then before you went to USP, you was in the state and did what?
I was a career.
Man. Ain't but tell them who you is. This is my manager.
I'm Mac Mile.
Hey, that's my manager.
Perfect. I'm his manager.
Thank you.
Astro
Light 100. And he got his own label, you hear me?
But we pushing Astro like not.
Yeah, we pushing that beyond ancient. Cause your blood will never die. We an image of God, so we pushing the Astro Light 100.
This even came about.
For sure, 100. We pushing the Astro Light beyond ancient, cause we an image of God. Yo, blood, salute, 100. Shit, everybody up in the feds in the state, nigga, that's big dog right there. You ain't even supposed to see big dog. That's big dog for real. Worldwide, man. We out, man, and y'all already know how we do, man. We ain't even playing MBT, aka TBT. It is what the fuck it is. You hear me? And I promise you, we straight on this motherfucking end.
That's it. Let's go, man. That's it.
We straight on this motherfucking end. I promise you. And we ain't signing with nobody because we already signed. Astro Light, Gutter Boy Entertainment. We got his own label. We got motherfucking ESPN. We got Money Train. Man, we got so many fucking self-made, fam. We got so many. We got CM Young and Entertainment. We got fucking Black Tony Entertainment. Get the fuck out of here. We super rocking. Period. This is a courtesy. Been told you. Check the paperwork. You ain't even seen the videos. When I did a check my paperwork video, that is a flawless. You better check that black fucking diploma. National Film Institute. I'm an actor. Content paperwork. I got a film director. First film. Big dog. Sample. Been there, done that. Don't be a fucking Kanye. When I say, and that's my motherfucking slogan, and I'm gonna always say that. And if anybody got anything to say, fucking holler at me. Don't be a fucking Kanye, a motherfucker who had everything and wanna make sure everybody grow, but then wanna fuck with it. You hear me? Stop playing. We about to put these other videos. I'm about to put this other little shit up. Put these little videos up and shit, you hear me? Then I'm about to start sending to ARs, let them know I'm the bad guy 100. Then I got a little baby boy. Then I just got a grandson 100. Y'all gonna see that shit. So we gonna pop that 100. Then we gonna pop motherfucking Tato 410K, ESPN 8. Hottest thing Nigga in the city besides Lil G-C, because I'm the hottest thing in the country. 100. Facts. Facts. Simple. Man, listen, man. Anybody who gonna sign us, gonna sign. Shit. It is what the fuck it is. You know what the fuck it is. It is what it is. But we still gonna do anything. Cause I did them 2 videos off a phone and I got a camera and a green screen. Simple, big dogs. Been dead. But this the city. MBT, aka TBT, Thoroughborough, Tennessee, the lesbian girls I beat. Don't look like we'll do nothing, just like it's supposed to be. Everybody look like they won't do nothing. But I'm a fighter. Shout out to my weather. 100. That's what them guns say. And I ain't even have an AK. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I gotta catch on. But at the end of the day, I can post this shit. And it's there for life. Just had a grandbaby. And that nigga rockin' Hot Boy HOTBOI GSKI. I don't even know how to put this on thing, but I'm about to share it. So this is what I'm gonna say. OG Tommy Lee, 100. Check the paperwork. I'm gonna say, fuck you, bitch, and take T-Ho.